When your appliance breaks, you need an appliance repair person right away. So if you're trying to generate leads in appliance repair, what's really important is to make sure that you actually get the attention of people right when they need you. Hi, my name is Roel Hoekstra, and I'm the founding partner of Akela Digital. Yes, I'm in the Caribbean right now, but I'm recording this message because we're really excited about our appliance repair lead generation system at the moment. It really allows us to get right in front of those customers when they first need an appliance repair technician. So what we're doing is the advertising is working. Second, we're driving them to what we call a lead configurator. So that lead configurator allows them to answer questions about their appliance, the problem, where they are, and then we ask them, do you want to schedule an appointment? And when they say yes, that's when we capture their information and sell the lead to you. So you're not getting any leads that aren't qualified. They're qualified and they want an appointment with you at that moment. Now our system is working, it's up and running. We do a couple things that I think are unique. So we do operate on an exclusive basis. It's really just the way I've programmed the system at the moment. It's easier to work on an exclusive basis. So we have territories, and most of the territories in the United States are available at the moment. We're rolling them out as we have interest. So you get an exclusive territory. You're going to piggyback on the 247 lead generation website and advertising, and as a result, we're generating leads at a pretty low cost. So if it's a phone lead, it's $20, and if it's one of those form fill leads that we talked about, where they request an appointment, those are generally $40. That's it. It's really simple. $99 a month to be in the system, and we're ready to go. So if you're interested, use the form below. Let's schedule a demo. I'll show you how it works, and we'll get you leads in the next couple days. Talk to you later. Bye.